So just something that David and I were talking about that may be good for you guys is something we learned from, we can't take the credit for it, but just by watching Cayman Reynolds one day. And when you're out in the field and you need to put a new quick layer of wax in some areas of your plastic frames, just make sure you bring some wax blocks with you, and voila, just hit it all real good. It don't have to be tons good, just enough to track them back to it. And that will help you out a little bit, for that way you don't have to take them all the way back home and re-wax them. As you can see, that put quite a bit of wax on them, and that'll help you with maybe some that aren't getting pulled, or maybe we've got some down in there like only part of it's getting pulled and they're leaving part of it empty. You know, there's a ton of different times you get in there and half the frame's pulled and you can see that it don't have any wax on it. Well, just make sure you take you a block of wax with you and coat it up, and there you go. So we'll figure that out. Or maybe it was Mike Berry taught him that. So we'll see.